Let's explore how the 5S methodology can transform our manufacturing space into an efficient, safe, and productive environment. Ready to dive in? Start by sorting through all items in a workspace. Identify what's essential and remove what's not to reduce clutter and improve efficiency. In the storage area, sort through raw materials and remove any outdated or damaged items. This ensures only the needed materials are accessible. Arrange necessary items in a way that makes them easy to find and use. Everything should have a designated place, clearly labeled. On the production floor, organize tools by type and frequency of use. Label shelves so workers can quickly find what they need. Clean the workspace thoroughly and make keeping it clean a habit. Regular cleaning maintains a safe environment for all employees. In the assembly area, ensure machinery and workstations are cleaned regularly to prevent equipment malfunctions. Develop standard procedures for sorting, setting in order, and shining, so everyone follows the same steps. Create a checklist for end-of-shift duties including organizing tools, cleaning, and checking inventory levels. Keep 5S in your daily routine. Encourage everyone to follow the standards and continuously look for improvement. Hold regular meetings to discuss 5S practices, celebrate successes, and brainstorm solutions for challenges. By implementing the 5S methodology, we can create a more efficient, safe, and productive environment for all employees.